Sometimes we as content creators, we run out of content ideas after exhausting all the videos we have already. We run out of ideas on what next to post or the way forward. So today I've got not 10, not 20, not 30, but more than 50 video ideas for we content creators. With this, it will be easier for you to schedule your content, to create content. I'm talking about the content that are searchable, as in recommendable by YouTube, the content that will blow your channel up. So grab your popcorn, grab your notepad, grab everything grabbable and sit down. Let's dive into this video. My name is Calista and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to categorize them, and the first on my list is perfect for building your audience. If you're starting up your YouTube channel newly and you want to build your audience, all these ones I'm going to list now, they will be perfect for your channel because you're just starting. You need to build your audience. So the first one is how to create a YouTube channel. This one is directly is directed to me anyway, because in my last video, I made mention of how I got to create my channel. I was watching television and a video popped up, someone teaching how to create a YouTube channel. That was how I got to create my own YouTube channel. The second one is my first YouTube video. The third one, day in the life of a small YouTuber. Many things, many ideas. I hope you're with your biro and your pen or your notepad. You're recording all these things, because after this video, I want you to start up with something. So the third one, another one is my YouTube setup on a budget. Then why I started YouTube in 2025 or in any year. Yeah. Then my subscriber growth journey. Another point, how I edit videos on my phone or using my laptop. Another one, how to make a YouTube intro for free. Then YouTube question and answers. You can ask your audience questions to list whatever they want to ask you, then you compile them, make video on it. People, or you can even go live, then ask them to ask you questions, you answer them, get to know them more, they will get to know you more too. So this first one, it is very good if you want to build your audience, if you want to build your community. It is very, very, very good for you. So my second category is mainly for people who are looking for answers. We all are in YouTube here to look for one thing or the other, and we all know that YouTube is a search engine. Many people are here looking for answers. YouTube is a search engine, or just like Google. Google is a search engine. The way you go to Google to type for one thing or the other, search for one thing or the other, that's the same way people come to YouTube to search for one thing or the other. YouTube is a big platform. So many people are here looking for answers. And we have to give them, we as content creators, we have to give them what they want. Yeah. So my first point here is how to get your first 100 subscribers. You can create video on how to increase watch time faster. Then you can create another video on best free editing apps for beginners. Then another video on how to make thumbnails that get clicks. Yeah, that one is even up to now I'm still finding it difficult to create thumbnails. So I think, okay, let's continue. So you can create another video on how to post YouTube shorts. Then you can even create video on how, that is YouTube shorts and versus short videos and long videos. Which one goes faster? Which one grows faster? So you can create video on that. Then you can create another video on how to get views with 0 subscribers. Okay, then you can create videos on best time to upload on YouTube in 2025, then how to find viral video ideas, then YouTube search engine optimization tips for beginners. All these ones, they are searchable. Once you create them, forget, everybody wants answer. Everyone wants to, we content creators want to increase our views. So don't sleep on it. So another on my list is educational and value-packed content. That is, if you like teaching or you like impacting knowledge to people, you like sharing your knowledge with people, even if you're new or you're still growing in the channel, this one is good for you. So number one is you can teach about how 3 websites every YouTubers you need. Then you can talk about how to schedule your videos. You can talk about YouTube analytics, explain in simple terms. You can teach about how to grow or how to get monetized faster. Then you can talk about what is CPM, that is what CPM means, and how to increase it. Then you can talk about how I made my first $1,000 on YouTube, depending on how many dollars you have made anyway. You can talk about any amount you have made and how you made your first money on YouTube. You can talk about how to use Canva to design thumbnails. You can talk about free tools to grow your YouTube channel. Then you can talk about how to create an engaging YouTube script. So if you're the type that like comparing videos, that is, if you like teaching how to compare 2 things or 3 things, this one will work for you. So I hope you're still with your Bible. I hope you're not sleeping. Yeah. But the first on my list is top 5 videos niches for 2025. Then you can talk about 10 video ideas that go viral. Then you can talk about 5 things to avoid as a new YouTuber. You can talk about 3 favorite YouTubers and what I learned. Boo. You can talk about 5 side hustles you can start from YouTube. Then your favorite video ideas that always perform. You can talk about top 3 editing mistakes beginners make. Then you can talk about ranking popular video niches from worst to best. This one will be interesting. So you can also talk about YouTube tips I wish I knew earlier. The tips and tricks you wish you knew better earlier on in your journey. Then another one is comparing iPhone versus Android for filming YouTube videos. So depending on your niche, you can go on and talk about all these things. They are very, very okay. You can also go ahead and tell us about your own self. You can also tell us anything about you, like creating videos about your first YouTube check, how much you made in your first YouTube journey, then how you almost quit YouTube, if you ever thought of quitting anyway. Then YouTube burnout, what to do when you're stuck on something. Oh my God. So you can also talk about how I balance YouTube with work and family. This one is very difficult though. That's what I'm facing now. It's not easy. So you can also talk about things nobody tells you about starting a channel. People like me, nobody told me. I just stumbled on it and I started. And in the first place, I regretted it because it was unplanned. If I don't have any content, what do I post? I was frustrated. I wanted to quit, but God passed them. So you can talk about reaction to old videos, yeah. Then celebrating 100, 500, and 1K subscribers. That one you follow. Then what you learn from uploading every day for a week or for a month, depending on how often you post. All these ones, they are very, very nice. People like it. People want to be staged. You stage them, you talk to them. Yeah. So this one is bonus for people that are still watching up till now. Yeah. So you can also talk about YouTube channel trailer, then reacting to viral videos in your niche. Yeah. That one is okay. Any viral content, any content that you know that is going viral, as long as it's in your niche, you can jump on it. Then I am not among people that say no, don't jump on trending whatever. Me, I go jump on. As long as it's in my niche, I don't have problem with it. So you can also talk about story time, the most embarrassing moments on camera. You can talk about YouTube challenge, posting for 30 days, no talking videos, anything, any points you want to talk about. Yeah, you can talk about content creation routine. So another one, YouTube growth hack no one talks about. Yeah, then you can also talk about your subscriber count update. So all these ones is going to help you. It's going to help your channel. If you're confused on what to post, I believe you have your papers, your pen and everything with you. Just write them down, make a schedule. If you don't even know how to create or how to get your point or what to talk about on all these points I listed, you can ask your ChatGPT or DeepSeek. They're going to help you. Yeah, it's going to help you so very well. So here I was able to talk about more than 50 content ideas that will help you to grow your channel, build a real audience, and maybe even turn your YouTube into your side hustle or full-time job. So tell me in the comment section which video idea you're going to try next. I'll try as much as possible to reply to all the comments in my comment section. So if this video give you any value, please help me to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And see you guys in my next one. Boss Lady signing out. Bye.